But just know, FreshhKiicks PQ collab is on the way. It is gonna be a limited amount of hats. For those of you guys that get it. For those of you guys that didn't get it, you guys will never get it again because it is a one-time collab.
Anybody you know that has fly and even y'all should pull up in the R8, but like I need fly and just like build crazy G80s, crazy exotic like just fly that would look sick in the video.
Send me the details, I'll make a flyer right now.
So that's what they want me to figure out too. Where could we do it that we could get it off? Like to shoot the video there.
Have you seen that lot next to PQ where we used to park the cars? What kind of music video is he trying to do?
Like a car meeting style.
Little Travis Scott music video? We on, baby.
Whose cars?
I don't know. We're gonna go buy like 3 Bugattis, just return them tomorrow.
10 p.m. yeah.
If you convince them to do like even tomorrow, bro, it'll give us like a wiggle room to do a flyer, bro, and get like some sick going.
That is not doing that tomorrow. Think of it, they're trying to do it now because they're trying to do something else after. Like he already thinks he's doing it today.
Yeah, we could get probably like 10, 15 cars.
That's a lot. That's good. Yeah, I'm bringing all 3 of mine. Ronald's gonna bring his, and then the homies are asking their homies to bring their. I think it'll be fire.
What's the max of cars that we should get?
100.
Damn.
Yeah.
That fool wants a whole car lot.
Yeah, he wants it to be like look crazy, bro. Car meet looking crazy.
Can I do a flyer?
I just don't want to post it because I don't want to know because it's for his album. Putting his name, you know what I mean? And then the fans are gonna try to find it. Where can we do it at?
Spot right there behind PQ where we used to park the cars. That's huge, bro.
Can somebody take like a video of it so I can see it so I can show him? Because I'm gonna have to show him to see if he's cool with it.
You could fit at least 60 cars just right there in the front, and then plus like the back is like it's like a warehouse, bro. It's like big as. I'll send you a video of it.
So yeah, just let me know. We'll do it there.
Oh, I'm telling you what it is.
You're a major clown for that one too.
On my kids, I'm not even lying.
On your kids what?
That Travis Scott's gonna do a music video right there at the shop.
Shut the fuck up.
This fool don't believe us.
On my daughter, fool.
Major clown, bro. You're a major capper.
I don't know what to tell you, fool, but hey, like send people the address to the shop that they have to be there by 8:30. Like the best cars that we know.
Stop the cap, bro.
Fool, I'm not playing, bro. Can you listen and like be serious?
Nah, I'm hungry. I'm about to eat, G. I haven't ate. You're such a major capper, bro. Like you're not gonna fool me, G.
So point is, he wants like about 100 cars to be there. Don't tell him for what. Just be like, bro, we're doing a photo shoot. Can you pull up? You know, clean cars though, fool. No bull.
Just send me the lot behind there. He wants 100 cars.
Let us figure it out, because I didn't believe Chris. You know, this will be capping a lot.
Chances are high that we might get to meet Travis Scott today, fool.
That's insane, fool.
It's happening, baby.
I just put it in the front on this side, and then when we start putting cars in, we'll let you know put it. This is crazy, bro. I'm just kind of nervous. I don't want anybody to record.
What'd you bring out?
Brought the Aventador, the 720, the R8, the Porsche, and yours. Start putting your cars in. Just follow this one, and we'll figure it out. Crazy lineup, bro. More than half of the ones in there are just Dandy.
You said that's your favorite car?
This one?
This one?
Yeah, that actually sounds fire. Or what do you guys think? I think that shit sounds the best.
Is that the fastest car you have?
Nah, fastest car is at home. I couldn't bring it because it's raining.
Not even the Porsche GT3 RS is the fast?
Nah, it's just slow. That's just probably the slowest car out of everybody right here.
What do we have here, bro?
We have a 2023 Nissan GT-R. My dream cars right here.
And what's the other dream cars?
I want a McLaren, but
Yeah?
I feel like not yet, you know, gotta take care of some other business first and then later have some fun with that. But right now I'm happy with it. PQ took care of it. All done by PQ. They wrapped it, they did all the carbon fiber, full bolt-on, flame tune, and the car runs. I've had no issues with it. No issues at all.
Flame tune?
Flame tune,
So-
flames.
Shop G80 right here, making about 1500 wheel horsepower. We have Dandy's built McLaren with the whole body kit, wheels, BBS's, built by PQ as well. We have the PQ R8 GT. Then you have Dandy's Aventador, Roots Corvette C8. Then we have a Fades Consulting Percon Technica that we did tune and custom exhaust. You have a GT3 RS, Audi R8, wide body Urus's, a bunch of BMWs. There's a mixture of everything here tonight.
The cars that are parked right here, how much do you think it's worth so far?
I think right here we have about 4 to 5 mil in just this, yeah. Now if you're talking about the full event, I think like 8 mil.
Chris, out of all the cars here, which one would you take home?
The SEJ.
FreshhKiicks import.
So when he comes,
Yeah.
he'll pretty much walk through this and be like, hey, do this, do this, tell us like what car to move.
Okay.
And the rest we'll just put them to the back.
Okay.
Say like we need to get a part of the way, we could go straight and make a left, and then the ones that are good, we'll make a right.
Okay.
Cash manages the hottest content creators. They see the worst stuff in the comments. Like, do you ever give them advice like on the comments?
You're putting yourself on the spotlight. People gonna have an opinion about you. You know what you say, what you do, and you know to each is their own. But you can't let people's opinions impact your life and what you do and how you choose to live it. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you know you're doing at, you're good at it, you're successful at it, keep pushing. Block out the noise.
But what is the biggest brand deal or any type of partnership that you've seen a content creator get?
Couple 100,000, that happens.
And how many followers do you have to get something like
It
that?
ranges. I can't say that one. You have to be big, you have to have a good engagement, you have to make good content, you have to be about your business, you have to have a good manager. All these things, play a part.
Straight up.
That's all you pulling up?
What thing is that?
I don't know, bro. I just bought it yesterday. You wanna see it? What?
You pull it out and shit, that shit gonna bite?
Yeah, no.
Fed it already? If you haven't fed it, that shit gonna bite. Oh shit, fuck.
How'd you guys' car do in the rain?
That shit was ice skating. Leaving my car here. That super was bad on the way over here. When he gets here, no film. You're gonna get kicked out. As soon as anybody pull a camera out, other than your guys,
I
cool?
told him already.
Yeah, your guys cool. Anybody phone getting kicked out right now. I don't want just straight exotics.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
poser shit. You don't care for exotics. Like,
He wants it to be more raw.
yeah, he's gonna see like G80s and shit. Be like, oh, this is hard. Like the Super, he's like, this is hard. He's not gonna want the Lambo there. The other one, Tyler. This one's pretty sick.
This one's sick, I say. If we don't want them, they park over there.
Yeah,
you already picked the cars he wants. You already picked the cars.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It's just so we'll move these to the left.
Yeah, put
Whatever.
all those to the left. I'm gonna
Yeah.
tell you which one. It's
Okay.
like FreshhKiicks.
Okay.
I'll tell you. This white one is cool too.
Here, I'll the Aventador. You want Dandy?
So right now we're picking what cars you want for the beat. Got a lot of cars here, right?
I was like,
Work.
what?
We're going back there. Even actually. Oh, so he's got your car out on there. Yeah, the one there. He's gonna do it again.
What's your favorite car that you've seen so far?
My car.
Come this way.
And are you choosing which cars get to be in the video?
No, I already know what car.
Oh, you already know?
Yeah, I got the list. The red one, then the yellow one, McLaren, and
They called me at like 12, like, yo, we want to do a video today. Can you get cars? I'm like, damn, I could try, but we got a lot. There's a lot. And there's more coming, but they're gonna have to just get dubbed, I'm gonna be honest. It's gonna be too much.
Are shoots usually like that? Like
No, it's
last
always
minute?
same day.
Did you purposely put your car in the middle?
They wanted me to.
Kicks, did you make the cut?
No. I got ties, you know.
Swiping right in real life. Swiping left.
Like that one.
Yeah, if your car didn't get picked, does it mean it's ugly?
I don't think it means that. I just think it means you're not the chosen one. It'd be like that. God's favorite. And you know they wanted like
a tiny bit forward.
a tiny bit forward, just a little.
It's gonna be stressful when we start kicking people out when they don't listen.
Like I can't have nobody being weird, trying to go up to them, ask for photos. Like hell no.
Has that ever happened at a video shoot?
No, because we don't really let anybody in. It's like people we know. Yeah, viewing party, we're just watching and recording.
That's the thing, everybody has to come out.
Security's gonna get mad aggressive and.
Yeah, bro. I think at this point we should kick.
Right now, you
everyone
should
out.
start pushing everybody out from there. Everyone.
There's only gonna be really the people whose cars there. I'm gonna really be honest, only the homies. I'll be honest. Like if I don't really know them, I can't trust people I don't know just around him. But even if the people whose cars are there, they don't gotta really sit ice axe and watch their shit. Like they're gonna need room. Everybody could just chill around here.
You don't think he's gonna trip out when he pulls it, but there's a lot of people.
Nah, because he knows there's gonna be a lot of people.
We had a last minute little park and chill. It kind of went crazy.
And these cars didn't make the cut, huh?
They didn't make it because they got here too late. Yeah, they got too late. And then they wanted a lot of JDM stuff. The person this video's for doesn't need no exotic cars. He probably has the best ever. So exotic cars aren't gonna get him too excited.
Look at how much Z-boy here.
LaFerraris.
Where are we gonna put it?
I think just have him pull it straight in, right in by all that other shit. Let's like pull up right next to the race car.
Yeah, right next.
And then he can just back it out and pull up. Don's coming too.
All right, we're getting everybody outside.
Sir, can I stay here, please? Hey, no, low-key tire wood that's not in there, food, so like park and get out.
Yeah. Everyone, even
Dandy's valid though. Dandy can say.
Yeah.
Leave. Everybody must go outside.
Sorry.
I don't know how this came about, but this one's crazy. This one's for the bugs. 8 hours, Ray and I, we talked about it for like 2 minutes. Next thing you know, 150 cars. It's crazy. Crazy turnout, bro.
You didn't thought we was capping on him, Chris. You can't say you're capping on
It was about like 2 hours of trying to convince this fool, like, bro, on my kid's life, bro, this is happening. That's the only time I ever believe him, because he caps a lot, bro. But when he says that, then I believe him. And like, all right, fuck it, I believe you, dog.
I got you. Shit is crazy.
What do we have here, Ray? Why could you move the car out of everyone?
I don't know, honestly.
That was your first time moving it?
Yeah.
Was it nerve-wracking? You don't want to scratch that shit off.
I can't see shit in there.
What is it like? It's like a spaceship in there?
Whatever you can think of.
shit OD, right? Shit loud as shit. Oh, it's turbo? Shit, it's big in my head, bro.
What do you have here?
Yours.
Yours?
This
Is this your dream car?
Nah.
What's your dream car?
Dream car? Probably like a Lamborghini full charge. Lamborghini full charge from like the 80s or something like that.
How'd you put this outfit together?
I really just threw it on for a rig. It's comfortable.
How comfortable are those shoes?
They are. They're very comfortable. I ain't gonna hold you. Easy.
Damn. That's so nice. Can we see the chain? Nice. That is so awesome. Thank you so much.
What'd you think of it?
It was awesome, man. Best experience ever.
Was that your first music video?
Yes. I didn't have to show my ass.
What'd you think?
Saying I didn't expect my Tuesday to go like.
Wait, is this your first video shoot you've been to?
Yeah.
How was it?
Yo, Travis Scott is sick. That's it. Let's hear this though.
Where's he gonna do donuts? There's a guy who's gonna do donuts.
There's a guy who's in donuts?
I heard.
Yeah, we'll do it with the R8 right here.
I think this was crazy, bro. Where you could like, I would never expect some shit like this. I know when I called you, you were like, this bullshit. I'm like, what?
I'm scared, bro, that it was gonna be mid-shoot, and hey, this shit gets shut down.
Yeah, but that would have been perfect, bro, because if the helicopter came, like, and everything, that shit, he would have been hype. He would have been hype. Yeah, we should have been hype.
He was like really chill, like let everyone pull up.
That was insane.
That's insane.
That was crazy. Like, let everyone in.
Yeah.
Video, who wants to swing the R8? This, you ready? Shit, she gonna be in the video, ba? I hope. With the old cute decal going.
That's ignorance. This guy said it'd take a couple tries. Was that
Bro.
solid or not? You got
What?
a first try. That shit was tough.
Fuck yeah. That was clean. I'll give it to you. That shit was clean, yeah. That was clean. You gonna little toss on that? I was like, no way, this was about here. You were getting close. It makes it look better though.
You want solid?
What'd you think of the donut?
I think that I could do that in my sleep. Nah, that's just hard. Rear-wheel drive shit, you know what I'm saying? All-wheel drive, be struggling to do that shit.
You used to have an R8, didn't you?
Yeah.
Why'd you get rid of it?
I lost too much money on it. Bought it when the market was kind of high, and it tanked. I sold it, and the market went back up. Yeah, I mean, cars do go up and down sometimes. It was COVID. The cars like tanked, like right before COVID, and then they fucking shot back up.